Crude oil happens to be in this purple trade at the moment. However, with the new trade, remember we always go with the newest trade. The entry's here hiding behind the dot, so it's hard to see. That's the setup there. Actually, go ahead and set our start time to that, just a little more easy to see. All right, so that's the setup right there. This is our reaction to non-farm payroll right in here. If you take this trade, which it's not start time yet, you still got another 5 seconds, you got to go to target 3. And now that it's already hit the entry, I would probably get in now at 67. 67, it's only a 10 tick target to target 3, which is 77. That's the setup. Any questions about that? Instead of getting right in at the entry at 66, since it's already touched it and was rejected, sticking to the spirit of confirmation, we'll make a 1 tick adjustment, make it push through that level. Or at least, yeah, 1 tick. I think that's the way to go on that one. 1 tick is a lot on a small trade, right? It's almost 10%. And now a new setup at 68, and that's the one I would go with, 68. 68 gives you 12 ticks. You could even go to target 2 if you want for 8 ticks. The absolute minimum with the stop at 5.7. Again, just sticking with the newest setup, and that's the trade right there. Just triggered in. Got to get over the top of that non-farm payroll reaction. It's the next hurdle in line. It's nice to have rules, huh? Just follow the rules, makes things so easy. Not quite getting to money management, although it did get to the full target on the purple trade. Try to be patient here. It'll push through. There it is. Now lock in 1 tick, and now take your money and run. And follow the purple line, the purple trailer, because that's correct. 44.69. And let's see, that was right at 8.51. Let's just go ahead and make that the trackable trade. 8.51. There you go. I mean, if you had to try to look at that and think through it and try to figure out what to do, you'd just be taking your best guess. But when you have rules to follow and you just do it the same way each and every time, it makes the decision making really simple. The rules have been tested, they've worked for years, they keep working. They might not work 100% of the time, obviously they won't, but nothing does anyway, so don't have to worry about that. Pretty nice to just, I mean, this is a mess right in here because the non-farm payroll looks like a pregnant snake. It's one of the worst formations, but it went right through it, right through the top. Ben, do you adjust the momentum size daily by ATR to keep? No, Ben, I just go with the same chart. I don't like to do anything complicated. I don't find that it's necessary. The setups are dynamically adjusting themselves. I could see doing that, what you're suggesting or asking about, if you've got fixed targets. Like, let's say you're going to go with, a target that's fixed, 10 ticks every time or whatever. But this is adjusting itself already. That's the beauty of Counter Punch and Spotlight. 73 is your stop now. Is that the trade itself is already tuning. It's already tuned. All right, it just stopped out. I mean, and you can see that by the accuracy of the targets, right? I mean, look where it stopped. Look where it went down from. Went 1 tick past the target 3. And of course, that's part of what now is built in the Spotlight, because I use the Counter Punch methodology for measuring trades. Why not? It ain't broke, right? But that's what I love about the strategy. I don't need to mess with ATRs. I don't need to mess with readjusting, retuning. And frankly, I'm lazy. I want to work less. I want to work smarter, not harder, less, not more. I think I've earned that right at this stage in my life.